Well, as you can see, I have finally made it home. I had an amazing journey in Italy with Rome and Florence and the Vatican City. And I thoroughly enjoyed being able to take all of you along with me to sort of see what's going on there and the kinds of things that are available. And hopefully, if you've never been to Italy, you'll put it on a list of places that maybe you'd like to go. I wanted to just kind of talk a little bit about the bag that I took. This is not a commercial for the bag, but how it was packed, because everything I took with me is in this bag. Now, there are some things that I learned along the way, and that is that not every place has an iron. So getting the wrinkles out of your shirt after they've been packed up can be daunting at times. And what I wound up doing was hanging it in the bathroom when I took a shower, letting it be in the steam for a while, and then took a hair dryer to it to sort of get the wrinkles out. That seemed to work fine. But as small as this is, when I was about halfway finished, I realized I'd taken too much stuff. So I was just going to go through a couple of those things here. I packed the Ulanzi MT79 thinking that I would use this more than I did. Now, I did use it to make videos for the photography tutorials that I want to do, and other than that, I didn't use it at all. So I could have gotten away without it, but it's kind of iffy. But you can see it didn't take up any room in here at all. I had this little bag with me, and it has a deal on it to go over my belt so I could wear it with me to carry all of the camera equipment that I had. And so, you know, I had taken the platypod, get this out here where I don't knock it off the table, and I had taken the piece to go with the platypod, taken my little carabiner thing that holds that, had this somewhere in here. I've got the other little holder that I just bought. Didn't use any of this. I didn't have to take any of this. The only thing that I used, sorry, forgot to get that before I started. The only thing I used was this. It is, it's a tripod. It's got the Joby. It's got the little ball head on it. But I can just hold it out like this. This is what I videoed everything with that I did the video with. So I could have done away with a lot of that stuff. I took the Pocket 3, and the only time I used it was to film within the Vatican museums for the Keymaster tour. And to be honest with you, I could have done without it. I could have filmed everything on my phone like I did everything else, and I would have been just as happy. And you see how much room this takes up in this bag. I did not need that, period. And then I had this little bag here with all the little gizmos in it and stuff. Let's see if I can do this without dropping any of it. So I did have my phone charger, which I used. Let me put this back here so it's kind of behind everything. That didn't go in. That was Q-tips, but so this was the other little phone thing that I just bought. I didn't use it at all. I did use this cable a couple of times. That's just empty. I did not use this adapter. I did not use the carabiner. I did use my Beats because there were times I had to edit video, and I was kind of in a place where I needed to be able to hear it without everybody else hearing it. Didn't use this cable. Didn't use this cable. Didn't use any of the micro SD cards that I had packed. So all of that I could have done without. Now, I did have, this is, it's got my t-shirts and things in it. I did take that long sleeve merino wool shirt, which I did not need. It's probably good that I took it because it was borderline. But the times that I was out really early in the morning, I wasn't really out in the cold long enough to get cold, and I was kind of surprised by how much heat was generated just by continuing to walk. And that's the bulkiest part of this bag, is that t-shirt and so undershirt, so I didn't need that. And these are my two shirts. I obviously needed those. And then this is the bag that I had originally packed my underwear and socks in, and it is right now my dirty clothes bag. So I've got to get rid of that. And I don't remember if I don't have anything else in there. Oh, and this little piece right here, that I had clipped to my bag in order to use my Pocket 3, didn't use it at all. And if I had not taken these things, I could have taken another pair of underwear or two, another couple of t-shirts. They would have all fit in there, and I wouldn't have had, I washed clothes twice, and I probably could have gotten away with washing clothes once. So I know that it can be done. Now, will I pack this way again? Maybe not. It was a challenge to myself, and I beat the challenge. So I'm home now, and I'm trying to regroup. I'm trying to get a couple of things edited, and thinking about what other videos now I need to make now that for this channel, now that I'm home. There's a brand new coffee shop that just opened up while I was gone, and you know, a couple of other things going on that I'll go to. And we'll get started on those tomorrow. But for today, I have done basically nothing all day today, and it's felt quite good. So we'll see you tomorrow.